Today we're going to assemble the two-way Next balance bike. Ready? Go! The box includes fork with front wheel, frame with seat and wheel, handlebar with bell, hanger for various small items, carrying strap, wrench and manual. Remove the clamp from the fork and the lower sleeve. Take the upper sleeve off the frame and slide the fork into the frame. Take the two plastic sleeves which you removed earlier from the top. The upper one should hide in the lower one. Fasten the upper clamp. Now push the handlebar with the groove facing forward and tighten it with the wrench supplied. A properly tightened handlebar has stopped, so it can only be turned to a certain point. Now all that's left is to adjust the height of the seat. Mount the child's accessory bag onto the handlebar. There is also something for the parents, a strap for carrying the bike. Just hang it over your shoulder and we're ready to go and see the world.